7, 8 was first crush, first
First
girlfriend,
crush,
first
yeah.
girlfriend was 12.
Acha, what about you?
Oh, wow.
You're so sinister, laugh.
The person I love, his happiness lies in something else. I would be very happy for him to pursue that.
मुझे पहला प्यार देवीना में ही दिखा और अच्छा उसकी भी स्टोरी ये है कि देवीना के लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहा था और एक दिन मैं फ़ोन पे उनसे बात कर रहा था और वो थक गई रात भर फ़ोन पे सुनने के लिए कि क्या बोलना क्या चाहता है तो उसने खुद थक के बोला तू अच्छा प्यार करता है ऐसा कुछ है.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on screen, and I am in conversation with the very amazing gang of Ye Kali Kali Aankhein Season 2. We have with us Shweta Tripathi, Tahir Basin, Ajal Singh, Arunoday Singh and Gurmeet Chaudhary. Hello guys. I have to, because we are diving into this conversation, I just don't want to discuss spoilers or anything for the viewers, which is why हम ये conversation को थोड़ा सा different lane में ले जाएंगे. So I want to know how old were you all when first time आप लोगों को प्यार का एहसास हुआ था?
14.
Okay.
14?
14.
7. I was 7, 8.
See?
Yeah, 7, 8 was first crush, first
First
girlfriend,
crush,
first
yeah.
girlfriend was 12.
Acha, what about you?
Oh, wow.
You're so sinister, laugh.
For a very long time, I was
Yeah,
like,
Ajay.
कि 2 years, when I realized I love my mummy, papa. So it took me a moment कि why
नहीं नहीं मम्मी पापा वाला प्यार नहीं.
Girl, come on now.
crush वाला प्यार. I think end of school, college time में.
So that's 16, 17.
हाँ,
End of school, college?
हाँ, उससे पहले मतलब
Not all of us find lovely people
हमने तो
early.
No, but crushes? Like, I think I had a crush.
talking about
6-7 साल
love,
की उम्र में हो
crushing.
जाता है.
yeah,
Acha,
yeah.
Crush
Love,
becomes
love.
stalkers. Love becomes something else.
Like again, like crush वाला love.
हाँ अच्छा. So like पूर्वा सबका कहीं ना कहीं स्कूल में क्रश था ही.
100%.
Or what is your take on love and how much has it evolved over the years?
Oh, it's evolved.
I think Sufi soul.
No.
प्यार के बारे
hell no.
में.
I think love for me
reformed.
is it's temporary insanity in a good way because I don't know, I'm speaking for myself here, is that I can be in love every 4 months, and when I fall hard, and I feel that's the only way to do it, is either you go fifth gear or you don't. It's an intense emotion, and I think it's better to have loved and lost than never to have loved. And I'm not talking only in hyperbole quotes.
Right.
I mean it's an emotion and intensity that everyone should experience at least once in their life.
Yeah.
What about you all?
The definition of love has definitely changed because बचपन में प्यार used to be like कि oh ये कितना cute है, from saying कि oh I want somebody who is romantic. For me now it's actually a very simple thing and the most complicated thing, of course. If love is actually like it's everything. When I say everything, why I get scared is because when I say this today, people say कि अच्छा पूर्वा वाला प्यार है तो she can go to any extent. That is, as पूर्वा बात नहीं कर रहा है, as Aanchal, it has to be like limitless, but obviously minus all the negativity that comes along, and to a large extent also sacrifice. Like if it meant कि if the person I love, his happiness lies in something else, I would be very happy for him to pursue that.
What about you, Gurmeet? You've had such a fairy tale love story in the public eye.
मैंने तो सबको बताया ही है कि 16-17 साल की उम्र में शादी कर ली.
हाँ जी.
एक्चुअली उसका रीज़न भी है. प्यार मुझे जब मैं 7-8 साल से का था तब सबसे प्यार होता था, लेकिन कभी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी जाके बोलना. मतलब वो आज भी ऐसा है कि मैं मतलब उसमें बहुत शर्म आती है. और मुझे पहला प्यार देवीना में ही दिखा और अच्छा उसकी भी स्टोरी ये है कि देवीना के लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहा था और एक दिन मैं फ़ोन पे उनसे बात कर रहा था और वो थक गई रात भर फ़ोन पे सुनने के लिए कि क्या बोलना क्या चाहता है तो उसने खुद थक के बोला तू अच्छा प्यार करता है ऐसा कुछ है. तो ऐसा है और फिर वो पागलपन, जुनूनियत,
Yes. Yes.
वो सारा चीज़.
Wow. What about you and you?
Leave me out of it.
For me, love off screen, in personal life, I love it when it's simple, when it's silly, when you don't have to think, and and on screen exactly सब उसका opposite. कि complicated होना चाहिए, complex होना चाहिए, dark होना चाहिए, बहुत सारे emotions होने चाहिए. In real life, Disney and on screen.
Ye Kali Kali Aankhein.
Yeah.
Wow.
But ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you know y'all have had an obsessive lover or y'all have been obsessed with someone?
Aanchal.
They're talking about Bradley Cooper. I used to really like him at one point of time.
Okay.
But now I stopped crushing over him.
Yes, that was a very sinister laugh.
Yeah, we don't know what she's
So
done.
last
Bradley
season-
Cooper.
watching.
So season 1 when we did, I was at that time really crushing Bradley Cooper.
You make it weird when
I
you
could-
laugh.
I know, man.
It's a very kiddish thing and I like it because you know it's a very childlike feeling to say कि ओ वो एक्टर से मुझे प्यार हो गया क्योंकि उसने वो मूवी में जो सीन्स करे थे उसकी आंखों में कितना प्यार था. So yeah, I had
Actually,
that.
I don't
बचपन में
think that's the
मुझे
kind of obsession he's talking about.
पर बचपन में ऐसे मुझे निक कार्टर से बहुत प्यार था.
Okay.
I was very sure that हमारी ही जब देखेंगे लव एट फर्स्ट साइट होगा फिर इवेंचुअली शादी. Oh,
What
but
about
musician
y'all?
से हुई. That's interesting actually.
Ever had an obsessive lover or have y'all ever been obsessed with somebody?
He's repeating the question.
Yeah.
Guys, this is
Just
the
to bring us
question.
back on track.
Better.
I've been on both sides. I've been on both sides. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, both sides, same.
Oh.
Gurmeet, what about you?
Both side यार.
Acha.
I think on both sides.
Also, what's been the craziest thing you've done for your partner or loved one?
I skydived once,
Really?
singing the song that a partner
And
really,
I
really
was,
liked. No,
I
I
was the
did.
pilot of the
I just
plane.
thought it was the most romantic. Like, so she was a singer. Like, she really loved to sing,
Okay.
and she
Yeah.
used to come out with these singles. Like, she's not publicly known or anything. And I was on holiday overseas, and I skydived and thought
Wait.
that it would be nice to do like sing her tune while skydiving.
It's her
And it was
story,
amazing.
and he's
What do you mean?
making
What
it-
are you saying?
He's making it into his own story.
You've also done skydiving?
Yeah.
also done
It's
And
her
the same
story.
thing. And I had no clue that he's done that.
Shut up! You're
I think
just
that's why Vikrant
repeating
and
what I'm saying.
Shikha- Oh, no, it's true. I have a video to prove.
So do I.
No,
What about yours?
I totally forgot the question now.
The
Have you
question
ever
was, what's been the
skydived?
craziest thing? What's been the craziest thing you've done in love for someone?
That's none of your business. I couldn't say. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I have a very deep, dark thing in theory around it. I feel that we all take births again and again to unite, to meet someone.
Okay.
Wow.
But that's not a crazy thing. That's biology.
Is that the good thing?
Yeah, it's like Punarjanam. A lot of people believe in that.
Yeah. So.
But what's
So
crazy about
wait.
it?
So your answer to his question is that you've
You
taken
born
another
again?
birth to
Okay,
be with someone.
you've gone
Obsessed him into the next life.
Yeah.
The reason I took a rebirth was because I had to be united to my
वहाँ पे
love.
Bradley
shock
Cooper.
में. They are in
Bradley
shock.
Cooper. Yeah.
The Netflix team has left the building. They have left. Yeah. Script writers are taking
दोनों
notes
को
for season 3.
Gurmeet, what is your answer?
क्या ही बोलो यार.
That was good.
I think the craziest thing we've done is we got married to the people we love.
हाँ.
Wow. That is an adventure
that's
in its
sweet.
own.
Yeah.
You didn't? Did you take a rebirth?
Oh, this is a competition.
Hell no. Yeah, I didn't realize it was a competition. You win.
For Vikrant.